Hello students, let's see this question. In the question, the value of temperature T0 is given 300 Kelvin and the surrounding temperature is given 70 Kelvin, and it is given that dt divided by dt is proportional to T minus T0, and we have to find what will be the value of t. Now from here we can write that dt equals to k multiply t minus t0. Here k is the proportionality